Good day everyone. As you know that we are discussing about the types of the computer network. In earlier videos I have explained about the local area network, metropolitan area network and personal area network. Today I am going to explain about the wide area network. It is also the kind of network which is spread across the globe. A wide area network is a collection of local area network or other network that helps to communicate with each other inside the country and out of the country also. When facilitate communication, uh, sharing of the information and much more between the devices from around the world through a WAN provider. WAN are the largest form of telecommunication network that can connect devices from multiple locations and across the globe. It is the most expensive form of the computer network. These networks are often established by the service providers. We use this in the school, banks, government sectors to store and relay the data or communicate with each other across the globe. Few examples of the WAN are the internet and intranet in a office or large multinational companies, ATM facility, national and international banking. So it is very clear that WAN is what? Actually it is the wide area network which helps to connect the computer across the globe. Means we can communicate with the computer which is out of the country. Basically it is known for the satellite communication. Via satellites the data can transfer from our country to the other country even when works inside our country also. In the client server architecture, if we take the example of the banking system, in the banking system the data are saved on the server, and server can connect different computers which is in the different branches of the bank. And now you can see that via the ATM it is possible that you can withdraw money from any where in the country or out of the country. It is possible due to the wide area network. Even telecommunication is also possible due to the wide area network. So wide area network is a kind of network which facilitate to user to connect the computers inside the country and out of the country. And why we do this? To share the data and information and resources. Wide area network basically this is a kind of network connect two or more computers located at the distance places. They are linked by communication facilities like telecommunication or satellite signals. So it is very important to know how they link. They are linked either by the telecommunication or from the satellite signals. Usage of the wide area network are very, we can use for the large organization, government agencies, and it requires the public telecommunication media to transfer the data. We are using nowadays the wide area networking for internet and intranet uh, services in the multinational companies, for the ATM facilities and national and international banking. Thank you everyone.